What can you say about the photo booth?
Photo booth, amazing. It's our son's first birthday. Everyone loved it. There's 100 people here. I'm from the event in the street. Highly recommend you will love this one, guys. If my wife loves it, she's the boss. Done deal. Reasonable price. Look for Gia. Gia, okay?
Thanks, bro.
Inquiries on happyhigh.com. Look for that website.